Dear students of competitive English and academics, in this lecture I am going to teach adjective clause, and this adjective clause will be taught in English medium. And before we study adjective clause, we will have to focus the written words, two written words in red color, adjective clause. As we see that this is based on two words, adjective and clause. First, we will have to see what is adjective. Adjective is a word that says something about a noun or pronoun. It means it gives the quality of noun or pronoun. And clause is a part of a sentence which has its subject and predicate. Now, let's see what is the function of adjective clause. And before we go through it, we will see the identification of adjective clause. This clause begins with who, whom, whose, which, that, and what. And these certain words are called relative pronouns, or this clause can begin with where, why, when, and how, and these words are called relative adverbs. Whether we use relative pronoun or we use relative adverb, next condition is this word is put just after a noun or pronoun. Let's see in this example, the box which is made of wood is mine. Now, which is a relative pronoun and a noun is placed before this word which. And we see in this example, the box which is made of wood is mine. And the box and which is made of wood is the quality of this box, and after this quality, the rest part of the sentence. Now see what is this. Actually, our main sentence is the box is mine. After box, we need a quality. After box, we need a quality, and quality is placed before or after a noun. That's why box is a noun, and which is made of wood is a quality. Box, adjective. After box, we will place adjective, and this is adjective. And this adjective is of particular type. This adjective is in form of part of a sentence, and not only a part of a sentence, but it is based on subject and predicate. Because of being dependent on subject and predicate, it is called clause, and this subject and predicate, this complete part is acting as an adjective. That's why it is an adjective clause. Which is made of wood is the adjective of the box, and it is with verb. Because of being with verb, it is clause, and because of telling something about the box, it's adjective. That's why it is adjective clause. Then our sentence is the box is mine, and the quality of the box is which is made of box. This is your adjective clause. Now we see how can we use this adjective clause and where. We can use adjective clause on so many places in our English. It can be used in synthesis, it can be used in translation, transformation, error, omission, and writing section. In next classes, we will teach you how we can use this adjective clause in all these parts in different lectures. Keep on watching ORSC classes of English language. Thanks.